Mad Hatter Diva twirled in her chair, added 5 seasonings to give her taco flair.
Wonderland. I am so excited to be with you guys again. I had just dashed away. I had gone to the grocery store today. I've done all my, just kind of getting ready for the week. And if like many of you moms out there, I'm sure that's what you're doing. You're getting ready for the week, especially because this is the weekend. So you're getting ready for the week and you're planning your menu, looking for some meal ideas. Well, this is really a super thing that you can do if you love tacos. If you are a foodalicious taco person, like I am, this recipe you're going to really like. It's very simple. It's just 5, and I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seasonings that you're going to put in your meat for your tacos. You know, the hamburger meat that you are cooking. You're going to add these seasonings, and then you're going to add the same seasonings to your sauce. Now, I don't do always the homemade sauce. Some of you may do the homemade, but if you're busy and you've got a lot of things going on, and as you know, we are still going through this pandemic. So I don't know about you guys, but it's probably changed many of you in terms of your lives. I mean, the way you used to do things before, you can't do them the same now. And so you got to get used to it. And that's okay. You just take one day at a time. Breathe, take in, and let's just look at your blessings around you. Look at all like the other day, I was looking at all the fall leaves, the beautiful colors, the brown, the yellows. And I even noticed when I was out on the deck, I noticed a beautiful, like you know, the squirrels, and I saw the little squirrels and stuff, and I was just thinking, wow, they just go on with their lives every single day. The little they do, and they're absolutely adorable. And you know, it just seems like they're stress free. You know, because they don't worry about their food. They don't worry about like what we're always worrying. And you have to take a breath. Take one day at a time. Okay. And so, getting on to my recipe, my taco foodalicious recipe here. The Mad Hatter's Diva's delicious meaty tacos. So what you want to do is, I have these 5 seasonings. They're really simple, very easy, and I'll show you a little trick that I do with my hamburger meat that I do and stuff, and it's very simple, and you may be doing it already, you know what I mean? So, but these seasonings, they blend really well, and I love the way my taco tastes. I mean, it's me, I always get compliments on it. They go, wow, this is a taco. You know, it's very meaty, very thick, and that's what people like about it. So without further ado, let's roll the wheel and let's get the video going here. And I hope you will get a little piece of paper. It's very easy, moms. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seasonings that you're going to put in your hamburger meat. 5 seasonings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that you're going to put in your sauce. So check it out, enjoy, and I look forward to see you in our next video. Oh, I'll probably be at the end of this video anyways to share with you what's coming next. Oh, see you guys. Enjoy. Did you enjoy that? I know. Don't forget those 5 seasonings. It really, really works. It tastes absolutely delicious. And be sure to visit Grandmother Magazine's website. Click on the link below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. I don't want you missing anything.